Hi everyone, welcome to C programming tutorial series. In my last video, I completed the discussion on input and output functions with format specifiers. If you guys have not seen that video, then I just recommend you guys to watch that video as well. You can find the video in the same playlist. And in today's video, we will discuss a very simple C program so that we can have the revision of most of the concepts which we have discussed in this tutorial series. So before coming to this topic, I just want to tell you guys that if you guys like this video, click on like button, share it with your friends, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and if you guys have any questions, then let me know in the comment section. Let us come to our today's topic. So as you can see here, I have listed down the points which we will be going to cover or kind of revise in this video with the help of C program. Okay, so in this C program we will try to discuss how to use symbolic constants and how to define preprocessor directive, which we have already made a video on this, and we will also see how to declare variables of different data types. Then we will also discuss printing messages on output screens and reading input from the user, and we will also use the concepts of constants, identifiers, keywords and variables, and we will also use one of the operators in this example, and then we will also use one of the format specifiers in this example. Okay, now let us move ahead to discuss that example. So in today's video, the example which I'm going to discuss is a very simple C program to find area of a circle. So whenever you decide to write a C program, then the first thing you need to think is if that program has a formula, then you need to just write it down, that formula, and you just need to closely look at that formula and try to find out the variables which you can use in your program. Okay, so here as you can see, I have written down a formula to find the area of a circle. The formula is area equals to 3.142 into r into r. So just by looking at this formula, I can clearly say that I may require to create three variables in this program. A variable with a name area that will be of type float, and then I also want to create another variable with a name pi, because here I have the value of pi 3.142, that is the second variable, and that variable also will be of type float. And I also need to create one more variable with a name r, that is to take the value of radius. Okay, so just now looking at the formula, I have figured it out that how many variables I may require in this program. I require three variables. First is area, second one is pi, and then third one is radius. Okay, so now in this program I will be going to make use of the concept of hash defined preprocessor, and I will also use constant. Okay, so I will write down the constant first. Const float pi equals to 3.142. okay, semicolon. So here you can see I have set the value of the pi as constant in this program using the const keyword. Okay, and this value is of type float. Next I will define a preprocessor directive using hash define radius 5. Okay, then I will create a main function, then get ch, and I will create a variable, one more variable with a name area of type float, and then area equals to the value of pi. I will directly refer variable pi into radius into radius. Okay, so as you can see here, first I have defined a constant of type float, and the name of that constant variable is pi, and I have initialized the value of 3.142 to this variable pi, and then I have defined a predefined processor radius, and I have set the value for it as 5. Now I need to make use of this formula area equals to pi. Okay, so in this program I am referring the value of pi as pi. That's what I have referred here, pi into r into r. Okay, so the r value I have defined as radius. Okay, so whenever I will be using radius in this program, the radius will get replaced with this value of pi into radius. Okay, that means 3.142 into radius. Now the area of a circle gets calculated and gets initialized to this variable area. Now I need to just print this variable area using the printf function, and I will use the format specifier here, percent f. Why I have taken percent f as a format specifier? Because the variable area is of type float. So whenever you have used float variables, then you should use format specifier as percent f and then comma area. Okay, so we have started the discussion on writing down this simple program with deciding how many variables we may require in this program, and after seeing this formula we have decided that we require three variables: area, then pi and r. Okay, so that's why I have made a constant variable of type float as pi by initializing the value of 3.142 to this constant variable pi. Okay, and then I have defined a predefined processor as radius, that is the second variable. Then I have started a main function, and under that main function I have created the third variable area, and then I have just written down the formula, and in that formula I have just substituted the variables pi then radius into radius, and finally I got the output stored inside this variable area, and that area I need to print it out along with the message area of a circle is area. Okay, once you execute this program you will get an output as area of a circle is something like 78 point something output. Okay, so this is how you can start off writing down any program. So in this video I have shown you the approach of writing down the program and how you should identify your variables and write your program. So I hope you guys have understood how I have written this simple program and what is the purpose of each and every statement in this program. So that's all for this today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. I hope you guys have got some useful and valuable information from this video. If you guys like this video, click on like button, share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and if you guys have any questions, then let me know in the comment section. And thanks for watching.